Hello, I'm Tom Bernicke with TrendsandCycles.com. I'm here today to tell you about a new service that we have at TrendsandCycles.com. But first I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been studying financial markets for 32 years. I've been covering Wall Street for 22 years. And I've written a market commentary letter for the last 17 years. In that period of time, I've talked to hedge funds, pension funds, insurance companies, international banks, and nearly every bank on Wall Street. Time and time again, I get the same requests from traders. Tom, don't tell me what to buy. Tell me when to buy. So that's what we've done here at TrendsandCycles.com. About 8 years ago, I moved off the floor and I started building trading models with a couple fellas, and we brought in a couple mathematicians and sat down with other technical analysts, and we started compiling data. We tried to remove from this data any opinions that we had or any thoughts that we had, and we wanted to stick with the data and the mathematics of it. I believe as a trader that the first step in successful trading is separating possibility from probability, and not attend every possibility that comes across this trading screen, but more importantly to identify the high probability trades and make sure that we attend those. As we built this computer over a period of years, we decided to give it a name, and we named him Iron Paul. He trades kind of like Iron Byron hits a golf ball. I invite you to come to TrendsandCycles.com and click on the Iron Paul link, read about him, look at some of the charts and the graphs of the back-tested data that we provide. We built this thing over a period of years. We've been watching it for the last 9 months, and I currently use it for my own investments for the last 5 months. It's the only tool I use now. I'll tell you that my thought process is that I want just clear and concise signals. I don't want any rhetoric. I don't want to try to figure out what the rhetoric means. I want what every trader's told me they want. Tell me when to buy. And that's what Iron Paul does. He has no opinion. He doesn't know what the market guts are. He doesn't know what the news is. And all he knows is what's the data and what's the mathematics of the data. I invite you to come and look at this. At the end of the day, I think that if you bought services in the past, or you bought newsletters, or you pay for trade ideas, you probably didn't get everything you were paying for, or you felt that you were paying for, nothing. Okay, and that's not what we're doing here. There's not market commentary. It's a buy signal. It's a sell signal. At the end of the day, when we put all of this information into the computer and we run a computer model, Iron Paul's going to kick out an email or a text message to you and say, hey, I got a buy signal for tomorrow's open. I have a sell signal for tomorrow's open. Or I have no signal for tomorrow's open. Now sometimes the market's going to go up and we won't be in the market, and sometimes we'll be in the market and it'll go down. It's part of the game that we play. Iron Paul's not right all the time. Nobody's right all the time, and nothing's right all the time. So what we have to do is just, again, stick with the high probability trades and make sure that we attend those. Again, I invite you to come in and look at this. I think you're going to be pretty excited about it. I'm excited about it. The whole team here is excited about it. And I want you to look around. If you trade these markets on a daily basis, if you're an investor in markets and you're looking for a tool that's going to help you time the markets, this is the tool you've been looking for. I invite you to come in and look around. And if you have any questions, email us and we'll be glad to answer the questions that we can. Thank you for your time.